Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, give us a minute, we're updating the app fixed. First method is WSreset. Second method is reset and repair problematic app. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.